Hello my friends, today we are going to program an Autel universal key for a Ford Edge 2012 using IM508 and XP400. So we need the XP400 connected to generate the key. Okay, so we go straightly to generate the key first. Needs to have internet connection that we have already. It's connected to my phone hotspot. So universal key generation. It's a North America Ford. Type by model Edge, and then 2012. So there's two different keys. This one is the one that I need. I already checked the FCC ID. So we put the key in the XP400, and I already installed the battery. As you see, the light works. So we put it here and generate the universal key. First, the machine upgrades XP400 and then it generates key. Okay, generation is completed. This key right now is ready to be programmed for this Ford. So we go back to immobilizer, accept. So here we look for Ford, manual selection, Ford, USA, Edge 2012, which is between 11 and 14. It's a smart key. Okay. So we go through immobilizer status scan. So it doesn't have any fault that is related to immobilizer or any fault, which is good. Now we are gonna go to add key straightly. Take the original key into the vehicle, start the vehicle. Okay, so the key, the remote doesn't work. It's why they wanted another key. These Fords here in the console, they have a key slot that you can put the key inside, and then we need to start the vehicle. So we press the brake pedal there and start the engine. Just move the programmer here. So all right, we start killering. First I want to turn off everything here. So okay, let's see. Will not erase existing keys, which is good. Turn the ignition to on position. So the vehicle is on right now, we turn it off, the engine, and then turn on the ignition. Okay, yes. This procedure takes 10 minutes. Would you like to continue? Yes. It already took like 8 minutes. Still trying to get into the system, so we are waiting. Okay, it was successful. So we are in the system right now. Learn keys 2. Okay, put the smart key to be learned in the backup slot inside the center console. Need to get the original key out. So I noticed this key doesn't go inside. I tried to press it in. Maybe this much is enough. If no, I will need to take the chip out and put the chip inside. Okay, it worked. We don't want to learn the next key, so that's basically everything. Now we're gonna try if the new key works. Turn the ignition off. It is working. And see if it turns it on. So this key doesn't work, and it cannot turn the engine on. I'll put it here on the ground. Close the door and see if it can turn the engine on. Press the brake and yep, it does, and everything is good. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next video.